Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, sitting here at the conference table in the Doug and Nikki indoor testing studio with a cool new conference speaker and microphone from EMEET. This is their M10 with Bluetooth. It is Bluetooth 5.0, so it's a really nice solid connection. Good quality audio. So I really wanted to try to record something, try to let you know, give you a feel for what it sounds like, and I couldn't figure out a way to reasonably do it where it would seem fair and accurate, right? Because it would go through some version of processing. So I'm going to tell you about our experience. So we did a hardcore test, right? Call our nieces up in Canada on a Zoom call, and kind of Nikki and I moved around the table a little bit, that kind of stuff. We said, can you hear us now? Can you hear us now? How do we sound? And so I'm here to report to you that number one, the functionality was really good. It was super easy to do. The noise canceling was great because as you can hear in this room, the air conditioner is always running, and they definitely told us on the other end you really couldn't hear the hum of the air conditioning too much. There are 4 different microphones in it, so it picks up sound from all around the conference table. We moved around trying that. And on the other side, the audio quality of the girls, who sometimes are a little, they're little girls, they're hard to understand, we could really hear it very well. So I was very impressed with all that. Another thing that you might be interested in knowing is that the battery for this will stay charged for 10 hours. 10 hours of using it, that's a lot of Zoom call, right? So in any case, I have to say, oh, and another thing that's really important, right on the front, on the top here, it has a nice clear mute button, which makes life super easy. So anyway, this thing's great. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. We tested it out, worked well, easy to work with. I'm not sure what else you could want from it. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.